Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best security camera to protect your home, family, or business in 2026, you've come to the right place. Today's smart security cameras offer crystal clear video, AI-powered motion detection, color night vision, and even solar charging for hassle-free protection. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best security cameras on Amazon in 2026. Whether you need complete home coverage or a simple wireless setup, there's a perfect option for every budget. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Tapo 4K Outdoor Pan-Tilt Wireless Security Camera C660 Kit. Our top pick is the Tapo 4K Outdoor Pan-Tilt Wireless Security Camera C660 Kit. Designed for complete outdoor protection, this camera delivers stunning 4K Ultra HD video quality with 360-degree pan and tilt coverage, ensuring every corner of your property stays monitored. The built-in solar panel keeps the battery charged with minimal maintenance, while intelligent AI detection can recognize people and vehicles for more accurate alerts. It also supports 24/7 continuous recording, local storage without subscription fees, and optional cloud storage for added convenience. Pros: crystal clear 4K Ultra HD resolution, 360-degree pan and tilt with automatic motion tracking, solar powered for continuous operation, AI person and vehicle detection, 24/7 recording support, local storage with optional cloud backup, easy installation in user-friendly app. Number 2. COOAU 4-megapixel wireless outdoor security camera. The COOAU 4-megapixel wireless outdoor security camera is a fantastic choice for homeowners looking for reliable surveillance without monthly subscription fees. Featuring a high-quality 4-megapixel sensor, it captures sharp video during both day and night. Its upgraded solar charging system provides longer battery life, while PIR motion detection reduces false alarms by detecting human movement more accurately. The camera is built to withstand harsh weather and offers wide area coverage for larger properties. Pros: sharp 4-megapixel HD video quality, efficient solar charging, no monthly subscription required, PIR human motion detection, weather-resistant outdoor design, wide-angle viewing coverage. Number 3. SEHMUA Wireless Outdoor Security System. The SEHMUA 4-camera wireless security system offers complete home protection with 4 solar-powered cameras that support both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. Each camera features 360-degree PTZ movement, allowing you to monitor larger areas with fewer blind spots. Color night vision delivers detailed nighttime footage, while instant smartphone alerts keep you informed of activity in real time. The wireless installation makes setup quick and convenient. Pros: 4-camera security system, 360-degree PTZ monitoring, full-color night vision, supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, instant motion notifications, solar-powered operation, and no subscription required. Number 4. Hiseeu Solar Wireless Security System. The Hiseeu Solar Security System is designed for users who want a complete professional home security solution. This 4-camera kit includes a 10-inch touchscreen monitor and a built-in 500GB hard drive for local video storage. Its dual-lens cameras provide wider coverage with automatic motion tracking, while two-way audio lets you communicate with visitors directly from your smartphone. Solar charging and dual-band Wi-Fi make the system both efficient and easy to maintain. Pros: complete 4-camera security system, large 10-inch touchscreen monitor, built-in 500GB local storage, dual-lens cameras with auto-tracking, two-way audio communication, solar-powered operation, and no monthly subscription fees. Number 5. BOTSLAB 4K Wireless Outdoor Security System. The BOTSLAB 4K Wireless Outdoor Security System rounds out our list with premium 4K video quality and advanced AI recognition features. This 4-camera kit delivers exceptional image clarity, even at night, thanks to full-color night vision technology. The included base station features 32 GB of local storage, while 360-degree PTZ functionality allows each camera to monitor larger areas effectively. AI-powered recognition helps identify people and vehicles for improved security and smarter alerts. Pros: ultra-clear 4K video resolution, AI person and vehicle recognition, full-color night vision, 360-degree PTZ coverage, solar-powered wireless cameras, local storage with included base station, and easy mobile app control. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best security cameras on Amazon in 2026. If you're looking for the best overall performance, the Tapo 4K Outdoor Pan-Tilt Wireless Security Camera C660 kit is our top recommendation, thanks to its excellent video quality, AI features, and reliable solar-powered design. Every camera on today's list offers outstanding performance, making it easier than ever to keep your home protected. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.